Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 12, 1916. Glory of the souls who will live in the divine will on earth. I was fusing myself in the most holy will, and my sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, only by one who lives in my will do I feel as though repaid for creation, redemption, and sanctification, and she glorifies me in the way in which the creature must glorify me. Therefore these souls will be the gems of my throne, and will take within themselves all the contentments and the glory which each blessed will have for himself alone. These souls will be as though queens around my throne, and all the blessed will be around them. And just as the blessed will be as many suns that will shine in the celestial Jerusalem, the souls who have lived in my will shine in my own sun. They will be as though circumfused with my sun, and these souls will see the blessed from within me, because it is right that having lived on earth united with me, with my will, as they lived no life of their own, they have a place distinct from all others in heaven. And they continue in heaven the life which they lived on earth, completely transformed in me and immersed in the sea of my contentments."